Hello everyone. So we're going to be continuing on that on the series on mental health first aid. What to do when you find yourself or you find someone going through a mental health crisis. But before we go forward, I want to talk about mental health crisis, right? What some persons call nervous breakdown. Now, oftentimes you find persons going through mental health crisis, like they feel like they're losing control of themselves. Some persons are struggling with extreme change in mood. So for somebody who you probably know to be calm and is extremely agitated, extremely excited, overly active, or for some persons who are going through extreme pain that they cannot really even tell why they are feeling the kind of pain that they are feeling. For some persons who are probably going through manic episodes, are having extreme excitement, and then they have so much energy surge. And then when you find somebody going through this person might be going through a mental crisis or a nervous breakdown, like some persons call it. Now, when you find that happening, it means that an individual is struggling with normalcy. They are struggling to maintain normalcy because there is always, there's a thin line between normalcy and abnormalcy in every individual. So mental health crisis is that state in which the person loses control of themselves. They lose control of their self. They are not able to do the things they are able to do by themselves. So they do not have control over how they react, over how they behave. And then people who see them on the outside is wondering, what is wrong with this person? This person at this point is probably going through a mental health crisis. So somebody who you have probably known before now, and you know how they behave, you know how they relate with you, and then you see them relating or behaving in ways that you cannot really explain. This person is probably going through what we call mental health crisis, what some persons call a nervous breakdown. Now, when this happens, it could be anxiety, it could be depression, it could be psychosis, it could be a schizophrenic episode, it could be anything. Sometimes this crisis can be as a result of either stress, trauma, an abuse of substance, or something that has happened that is making this person behave the way they are behaving. So when you find persons behaving this way, what do you do? That's one of the reasons why I am talking about mental health first aid. So I want to know if any of you has witnessed anybody go through a mental health crisis in the past, and what did you do? I'll be at the comment section to listen to know if anyone has been through a mental health crisis, or if anyone you know has been through a mental health crisis and what you did, before I talk about mental health first aid and what to do when you are faced with situations or conditions of mental health crisis. Thank you very much. Stay blessed, and remember, your mental health matters. Mental health is wealth, like I would always say. Have a blessed day. Thank you.